Good morning, it's Øyvind Martinsen here and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about 4 mistakes that aspiring outdoor photographers do. And number 1 is that you go to a location only one time. And that's a huge mistake. So if you think you have something of photographic value in an area, you must go back there time and again over different years, seasons, months, weeks, days, and during different times of day and in different types of weather, and then your results will grow over time. The number 2 mistake aspiring outdoor photographers do is that they sit at home and wait for inspiration. So don't be that guy that sit at home and wait for inspiration. Go out in the field, make a decision and go out. And be comfortable with the uncomfortable, and you will be rewarded. Mistake number 3. People don't learn to see how their lenses see the world. So you must learn to see how your lens see the world, because that is different from what you see with your eyes and brains. So learn to use your lenses, and you don't need 10, 20 or 30 lenses. You need just a few, maybe 4 or 5. You can also do good with 2, depending on what you're photographing. So, most important, learn how your lens see the world. And mistake number 4, you select too many images for your portfolio. So, my idea is work hard out in the field and select harder in the selection process on your computer. Then you choose only the best, and then your portfolio will grow over time and your portfolio will be stronger. So don't include the mediocre photos in your portfolio. Thank you for watching this video. It was a short one today. So don't sit at home and wait, go out in the field and take some pictures. And if you like the video, you can give it a big thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment in the comment field below. And if you subscribe to my channel, if you are not already a subscriber, hit the red subscribe button and you will help me grow my channel, and you will also be alerted when I post new videos. And I'll see you soon in another video.